Suppose I have something like this. Negative 3 plus 5. We're adding negative 3 plus 5. What is that? Anybody knows?
Negative 2, sir.
Negative 2. Alright, you want to explain how you get that?
Because the 3 negative, sir.
Well, you know. Okay, the negative 2 is not actually correct. It's actually positive 2.
Positive
Alright?
2?
Yeah, man. Alright, let me tell you how you reason it out, yeah? Think about this. Think about negative as you owing people money, and think about positive meaning you have money. Alright? So imagine this right now. You guys are at home, right? And you have a little shop in a community, not true?
Yes, sir.
You guys must have a little shop nearby, not true? Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Even for Westgate to live, a man have a little shop in a yard where you can go there and buy any little thing, not true? Yeah, man. So you what now? Suppose Mr. Brown now. Mr. Brown have a little shop, right? And you owe Mr. Brown $3. So the negative means what? You owe. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So you owe Mr. Brown $3 from yesterday. But today now, today's one. Thursday you what? You have what? 5 bills. Or $5, don't you?
Yeah.
So you are going now. When you go Mr. Brown, what do you think will happen? You are going to pay off Mr. Brown, not true?
Yes, sir.
So the $3 we owe Mr. Brown out of the 5 again come out. What left back?
$2.
Everybody understand the reasoning?
Yeah, I understand.
Alright. Apart from you.
No, say again, please.
I understand, sir.
Alright. Okay, let me run it again. So we're trying to work out this maths here. Negative 3 plus 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So to understand it, we use the idea or the concept of owing and having. Now, negative means to owe, positive means to have. Alright, so let us say you owe somebody $3. Alright, and then you have today you get what? $5. So what you're going to do, you're going to pay off the $3 out of the $5. So whatever left back is what? It's $2. And notice the 2 is actually a plus 2, don't you? And a plus means you have $2 change, don't you? Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so the person who said that they were breaking up, are you following now?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I want somebody to tell me or explain to me what the answer for this is in terms of Mr. Brown and I'm shocked. What do you think of me, sir?
Alright, wait, sir, wait. Wait, sir.
Sir, negative 10 answer.
Yes, man. Who said that?
Me, Hakeem.
Me. So me can't see you, so Hakeem, yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, man. A real thing, man. Hakeem, explain to me in terms of Mr. Brown chop. What go on, sir?
He owes $7 down.
Right?
So, that plus minus 2 more, so you'd have gone 3 more add on to his 7 where it was, so that they would have make 10.
Right. In other words, you owe Mr. Brown 2 times, not you? You owe Mr. Brown $7 and you
Yeah.
owe Mr. Brown $3.
Oh, so that they're not pay him yet.
Exactly. Right.
Okay.
I hope some of you guys are not in that problem right now, you know. That ever happened to you? You borrow some money from somebody and then things lick you again and say, geez, I could borrow again. Alright? Alright. I want somebody to tell me Wagwan, yes or no? What's going on right here? I'm Mr. Brown chap.
Sir, I zero that, sir.
0.
Right, Akeem, what tomorrow Wagwan, yes or no?
Sir, you owe $10. You had 10 tweets, so that means you only 10 you got pay back for.
Right, so in other words, you owe Mr. Brown $10. You come in my shop,
Yeah.
you pay off your debt. So the
I
zero
can
means,
alone I have.
right, so zero
So
means
that
you,
means you know,
you don't owe nothing. Very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
Deal.
Alright.
Last 10.
Alright, everybody clear on this?
Yes, sir. More
Alright.
red stuff, sir.
Okay, please write this off because I'm gonna give you a few questions to try. Tell the truth, I don't like Google Meet. I rather Zoom, trust me. The only problem with Zoom is that I can't afford it. It's very expensive to buy. So every 40 minutes it cut off.
So I kind of prefer Google, sir.
The Google, I don't know. I
Yes,
think
sir.
the Google Meet. I don't know. I'm gonna.
It's kind of more easier, you know?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so if you're just joining us, please write this off. We're doing substitution. By the way, I sent a little video early this morning on computation. You can go and watch that. Kill some time.
Yes, sir.
No, I said I sent a little video on computation.
I want to send my math class.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You guys just watch those things and practice and try them, you know.
Yes, sir. Well, sir.
Yeah, man. Help yourself, man. It was a class I had last night and it's recorded.
I'm recording yesterday, you know, sir.
You serious? Oh, you okay, so you can record it.
Yes, sir. I'm recording yesterday, sir.
So, all right. So what? Tell me something. You using your laptop?
No, sir. My phone, sir. I'm not using my laptop, sir.
Okay, that's a lot of data, you know, brother. That's a lot of storage, you know. I hope I store that.
Let's do that, sir.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi meal, sir.
No, but if you're using Wi-Fi, in terms of your phone, the storage in your phone.
No, sir. Good for me,
Oh,
sir.
okay,
Good
alright.
for me, sir.
Cool, alright, cool. That's cool. Alright, so tell me when to move on.
Can I move on now, sir?
Anybody else?
no, sir, no move on yet.
Alright. So I'm adding Ashanti to the WhatsApp group. Ashanti, you had texted me some time ago. Boy, I forgot. Sorry about that, here. Alright, in the meantime, let me jump on right here, because I'm looking for space right here, so. Let me see if you guys. This is a brain buster, you know. Brain buster.
Negative 2 plus 1.
Just work out 2, man. Work out 2 and then work out the other one. That's all.
Sir, not to answer.
Negative 15, sir. But
Okay,
-4, sir.
I hear people saying all kind of something.
negative 15.
-4.
Negative 15, sir.
All right. So let me. Can I erase the right part of the board? Can I erase
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So you have. So what to do? You work out any 2. So you're gonna work this out first. All right. So you owe Mr. Brown $2. You go to the shop, you pay off $1. You still owe Mr. Brown what? $1, Joe. And the -3, you drop it down. What this is saying, you owe Mr. Brown $1, you owe Mr. Brown $3, you owe Mr. Brown $4. All right, so that's the answer.
Sir, say I'll give you an activity.
Yeah, man. All right, so I need to move on to a new board. Can I do that?
No, sir.
Yes.
All right, quickly write off this one, please. All right. Or if you want, you can screenshot it also.
Yeah, me just, sir.
Yeah, but remember saying this, when you screenshot it, make sure say you write it down back in your notebook, because sometimes you have one bag of screenshot and everything is mixed up. And make sure you have your notebook. Make sure that you head up, you put your date and everything, so you don't get mixed up. All right.
Sir, you can start today and
All right. So I'm moving to a new board. So this is a little class activity or classwork. All right. So without using a calculator, find the following. One times 2 is what? 2. And then you write back the what?
Or times
The negative 3.
negative 2.
And then you have a next rule now. That's a positive times negative give you what? Negative 2 3s is what? 6.
Yeah, negative 2.
You guys realize that I'm working out the sign first, then the number? Alright. I'm gonna put 2 on the board for you to try. Let's do simple one. I need somebody who wanna talk from morning. Talk one thing, please. I need person to participate. I don't want you to sit there. Answer, boy. Me not answer. Okay, if something wrong, I'm gonna laugh off of me. All right, don't bother with that, yeah. Just try and participate, man. And when you participate, you feel like you're a part of the class. Whether you're right or you're wrong, right?
60, sir.
Hold on. Me finish right that one. All right. So these two questions. Okay, if you said 60 for this one, you're correct. Because guess what? You do that, that's positive 12. And 12 times 5 is 60. So you're indeed correct. All right, what about the second one? Anything else?
Positive 10.
Positive 10. All right, you want to explain? Tell us what you did. By the way, who's this?
Channel, sir.
Okay, Chanel. Yeah, go ahead.
Negative 1 times negative 1 equal negative 1. And then you work out.
You bracket it first, sir.
Yeah. But hold on, you said negative 1 times negative 1 equal negative 1. You sure? What's negative times?
Positive, sir.
Right.
Sorry.
Right. So negative times negative give you positive.
Positive. Yes,
1
sir.
times 1 give you 1. And you go over here and bracket that now. Continue.
Negative 10.
No man. Let you continue.
Positive 10 times 1 give you negative 10.
Right. Well, yeah. Positive 10 times negative 1 gives you negative 10. All right. And what's the final answer now?
10.
No man.
Negative 10, sir.
Remember saying this now is positive, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
positive times negative gives you a what? Negative. 1 times 10 is what? 10.
Yeah.
So the answer is negative what? 10. All right. All right. Quickly write off that.
Oh. No.
All right, guys. Can I move on? Anybody
Yes,
write?
sir.
Anybody writing?
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna continue. So we're gonna look at more more questions, all right? With the same thing. But you know what? Now I'm going to twist it up a little bit, all right? Can somebody tell me what this means? A to the 3. What does that mean?
Sir.
Yes,
8
go ahead.
times 8. Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man, right, man. A times what? A times A. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what it means, you know.
Remember that, man.
Yeah, A times A times A. Yeah, that's right. But you know what? No, what is A plus A plus A? Something different, you know. God, it's A times A times A. But what is A plus A plus A? What's A plus A? Alright, how much A up there? If we say A plus A, how much A up there?
2.
3.
So, right, so if we say A plus A, that gonna give you what? 3 what? A. But if you times it, you're not gonna get 3A, you're gonna get A to the what? 3rd power. Do you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
Alright, what you know? What do you think? What does this mean?
They go to A times A to B again. A times A times B times B.
Times B, yeah, you're correct. Yeah, that's what it means, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Alright, everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Alright, cool. Alright, let me see if you guys are really thinking.
2A equal 2A.
Come again?
Equal 2A, sir.
No man, this is not equal nothing.
No equal nothing.
Equal. These two are equal. This is equal to that. But you can't say.
Alright.
No, but no, let me tell you. Alright. Alright, the only way you can get 2A, say, the only way you can get 2A from is if you're adding A plus A, but all these signs are what? Multiplication, not true? So you can't say 2A plus 3B. Alright? Because we're not what? We're not adding. So you leave it as that.
All the first same thing, sir.
No, it would be the same. No, it would be same. No, it would. No, when you multiply two numbers and add two numbers, it can't be same because 2 3s are 6 and 2 plus 3 are what? 5. You get that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So what you know? Suppose I have something like this: A, B, 3. Let me see who understand this thing. I know.
You go write the AB 3 times.
Very good. Who said that?
Me.
Alright, who's me? Come and say your name now.
CMRRA.
Alright, good. You're gonna have AB times what? AB times what? AB. You guys see that? Alright. Let me twist up a little bit now. Suppose I have 2 XY. May use so much AB. And let me use XY. 2 XY to the 3rd power. Who wants to take a shot at that?
Think you go do the same thing.
Alright, you're gonna do the same thing. So tell me now.
A times Y.
No, this is 2, you know.
Oh, mirror. It's your A.
That's 2.
They say 2 x y
Hmm?
time,
Right. 2
and then I can
x. I need one more time, not true?
is
Alright?
mhm.
One more thing. Let's see if you guys are catching on. Suppose I have a number out there, so like this. And I have A, 2, B, 2. Let me see if you guys are really thinking now. What do you think that is?
Sir.
Maybe if you write it, there you go say. Maybe if you write back to 3, then I write the A 2 times, then the B 2 times.
Yeah, you're correct. Right. So guess what? It's because the 3 out of the bracket, you only write it one time. So you have 3, but you write whatever you have in the bracket twice.
2.
It's gonna be 3 A2. Yes, you're correct. A2 B times A2 B. All right.
Yeah.
So only write the 3 one time. So if the 3 was inside the bracket, you'll write it over here again. Not true.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So any questions?
No, I'm right officer.
All right. Yeah, man, I want persons to participate in the class, you know. I want more of the guys participate, man, you know. Tony and Taji and Chanel and Rashad and Natalia, Gabriel, Amoy, Aki, everybody. Alia, Kim, Kamar.
Me at that one, sir.
Yeah, but I want other persons to talk, you know.
Do.
Sir, that was right on the board.
Eh?
Somebody else right.
Nobody else heard on the board. If you're doing it, stop it, right? But you can write on the board, you know, like for example, if I ask you to work out something, right? So the person who did it a while ago, if I ask you to do something, you can participate by doing that also. And this is one of the features I love about Zoom. It's more interactive. As a matter of fact, you know, out of all of them, you know, Zoom is the most popular one. They're actually making a lot of money. I hear that the man who owns Zoom is a billionaire right now because of COVID. Everybody that's on Zoom is very interactive. I don't like any other one. All right, tell me when I can move on.
Go ahead.
Anybody else writing?
Yes, sir.
All right, please hurry up.
Like a junkie.
Igual niya mo dito sa she know that she bad, but she's gonna be good.
Alright guys, ready now? That J stop mark up the board. I actually see a name. It's if you, it's when you mark it, I actually see a name come up, you know. Alright, can I move on seriously? Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah man, enter your mark on the board, man. Your name show up. Alright, so here we are going now. I'm gonna integrate something, you see? I'm gonna integrate adding and subtracting with multiplication. So more example. Alright? Alright. You hear me say what I go? What me say what I go? I go integrate. I'm gonna integrate the adding, the first part of the Mr. Brown shop, the adding and the subtracting.
Yes, sir.
Adding and subtracting, and then multiplying, mixing up, right? So watch out now. All right, look at that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assist you guys. I'm gonna put those two brackets, all right? All right, so talk to me now. What am I gonna do now? When I work out number two bracket, where I get?
10.
So I have to start from 1, sir.
It will be negative 10, not true? All right?
Yes.
Where about the plus? When I work out this now, what do you get now?
our positive.
Negative 8, sir.
Negative 8, not true? Wait, notice what's happening right here, sir. What go on, sir? Can you work out a match like that with two signs there?
No.
No.
No, you have to have one sign. That's what you can't do. So you can't work out one question like that and have two signs. So the plus, what this means is that it means a positive multiplied by a negative. So what's positive multiplied by a negative? What you gonna get? Look back in the rule.
Positive multiplied by negative, give you a negative.
Yes.
Negative.
Give you a negative, right? And you're right by the 8. Not true. Everybody see that so far?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Let me ask you a question now. Do you see any multiplication sign on here, sir?
No, sir.
Well, notice, everything gone, not true?
Yes, sir.
So what left back now is Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown business, not true? But remember saying, when you have plus and minus and Mr. Brown chop, you deal with it, not true? So what one Mr. Brown shop right now? What's the answer here? It will be negative.
Two.
No man.
Yeah,
Negative 18. Because you owe Mr. Brown what? 10
10.
and you owe Mr. Brown 8.
Oh.
Alright, so we notice I'm using the rules up here, so.
He never pay about no, so 18 for two.
Right. So I'm up here, so I'm using the rules of multiplication. I'm using the rules of multiplication. I'm using the rules of multiplication, but once the multiplication sign disappear, I'm Mr. Brown in business. Alright? By the way, anybody named Brown? Go feel no way here. Come on, let me tell you, I was teaching this thing at a school, no man. And the man who teach next to me name Mr. Brown, no man. It's like man vexed with me, you know. Like at another school still. I'm vexed with me. I call teacher him me talking Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown. Yes, but anyway, I want you guys to try this one for me. But you guys see how you see how learning take place though. You see how learning is like you get one layer at the block, teach you one layer, I teach you next layer, and guess what you have to do? Put those two layers together to solve a bigger problem. And that's what math is all about, alright? Okay, Miss Taylor. Yeah man, a real thing man. Listen,
I feel make it class to come more fun, you know?
every day, no, I seriously, because even today I went down by the office, a school that I work downtown, and you know, all over there chatting, you know. I tell the man, I tell everybody, so I go, and the man was in there, Mr. Brown. I tell him, I go, you know, answer me, you know. So, as someone knows, he's still vexing me. Alright, trust me, I say go still. Anyways, alright, let me write a question for you to try.
sir, that's simple, sir.
That's also a negative 4.
Okay.
So next one a positive 6.
Alright, give others a chance to try for themselves. Here, because some people, you know, when they hear our next man talking, and just kiss them teeth and give up.
Positive 6. All right, so I need to speed up because I think after this 8 minutes, I'm not gonna rejoin again because after 8 minutes it's 10:30 and I have Our next class at 10:30.
So sorry.
Yeah.
They get to -4. They go add it on the 6 down.
You talking about this one here?
Yeah, the second one.
Oh no, I don't.
First one. This time.
The first, where you get -4 from?
The first one a -4.
No man, what's 3 ones?
3.
Yeah.
A -3, sir.
Sorry, you know what me I do? Look off it.
But I can't -3 because negative and negative give you what?
Positive.
And 3 ones is 3.
Positive.
So when I work out that a 3 again.
No.
Alright, and then you worry about the what? The plus.
Right.
And then you go over yes or no. When I work out all of this, where I get? No man, when I circle out, when I work out all of this, when I circle out,
-6.
where I get?
-6.
-6. Alright? And then guess what happened now? Then 2 something right there, no?
So, yeah, go carry.
Can't work out. Y'all get one sign, not true?
Yeah, carry back it 3 and then -6.
What positive times negative right here, sir?
Negative.
Negative. I must say no, then 2 sign you give 1, you know, when I multiply them, you know. You get negative. Alright, so when I work out that now, what is that? What is this, guys?
3.
Alright, let me ask you a question. Suppose I have something like this.
I think a -3 answer.
Yeah, man, it's -3, yeah. It can't be 3.
Oh, so no negative.
What is?
Tell you, no, sir.
What
Me
is-
tell you.
Alright, what is? Look down here, so what is this? What's the answer for this down here, sir?
-8.
Oh man.
Sir, me get 7. Positive.
2.
Eh, me just -8. And let's me start mad now, sir.
Alright, so 8, how you subtract? 8 from 10 gives you what? 2. But if you spin it around,
Oh,
if you
yes.
spin it around, you still have to subtract 8 from 10, which is what? Negative what?
2.
Alright? I'm trying to find the eraser on this. Where's the eraser? Alright, so what time have we? 4 minutes? Alright, so what I know? So negative times positive gives you a what? Negative. 5 ones is what? 5. Right about that. Right about this. Negative and positive gives you a what? Negative. 3/4 is what? 12. These 2 signs here, I'll give you a what? They'll give you a negative. Right. Then no, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, no, no. Mr. Brown, when I work out Mr. Brown business, I know, yeah. Mr. Brown, I get what? $7. So that's the answer. Alright? Alright, quickly, I'm gonna put 2 on the board for you to do. And you guys don't work it out. But I don't know if I can put 2.
anyway, guys, I'm going to put this up on my YouTube channel, and so you can look at it. All right. So next week, we're going to do some more. I'm gonna try see if I can I need to spend some more time on Google Meets. All right, because they have a blackboard, but I don't like it. Oh, I don't not like it on Google. Everything is right here. So. All right, so try something, please, quickly. Okay. Anybody work this out and get a prize, yeah?
No, if it is.
Yes, man. No time we talk about that, man.
Sir, 7.
All right, let me just write down and answer them. Okay, who's that? Who says 7?
Alias.
Alias says 7. Anybody else?
Sir.
All right, cool. And the next one says 7. Anybody else? All right, so negative and a positive gives you a negative. 3 1s is 3. Right by the negative sign. Negative and positive gives you a negative. 1 times 10 is 10. When you work out this, 2 negative.
Positive, sir.
Right, 2 negative. Oh yeah, what? Positive. Then no, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown. You owe Mr. Brown negative 3. One of them there, you go Mr. Brown to police. I'm there with keep on with Mr. Brown. So you owe Mr. Brown $3. We go and shop with $10. You pay off the $3 we owe. So what you have? You go have what? You go have $7 left. All right. All right. So I'm gonna edit this thing and put it in my YouTube channel so you guys can look at it. All right.